Imagine the deep satisfaction of knowing that every interaction you have, every decision you make, directly contributes to an animal's thriving well-being. How do you ensure you are always providing the best, most ethical care? The core framework guiding ethical animal work is known as the 5 freedoms. These are a set of widely accepted principles that outline the fundamental rights of animals under human care. They provide a clear and comprehensive blueprint for ensuring animal welfare. These 5 principles were developed in the 1960s by the Farm Animal Welfare Council in the United Kingdom, and they are not just guidelines but aspirations for optimal animal living conditions. First, the freedom from hunger and thirst means providing readily accessible fresh water and a diet that maintains full health and vigor. Secondly, the freedom from discomfort requires an appropriate environment, including shelter and a comfortable resting area. The third is the freedom from pain, injury, or disease, which means preventing these issues or ensuring rapid diagnosis and treatment. Fourth, the freedom to express normal behavior involves providing sufficient space, proper facilities, and the company of the animal's own kind where appropriate. Finally, the freedom from fear and distress ensures conditions and treatment that avoid mental suffering. Collectively, these 5 freedoms form a holistic approach, moving beyond just basic survival to consider an animal's overall physical and mental state. They are foundational because they empower animal care professionals to assess and improve welfare proactively and systematically across diverse settings, from veterinary clinics to zoos and shelters. So how do these translate into your daily tasks in animal care? In practice, applying the 5 freedoms means a constant, mindful effort. For example, ensuring freedom from hunger and thirst involves strict adherence to feeding schedules, understanding dietary needs for different species, and routinely checking water access. To provide freedom from discomfort, you might assess bedding, monitor ambient temperatures, and design enclosures with appropriate substrate and enrichment. Protecting animals from pain, injury, or disease requires diligent observation for subtle signs of illness or injury, maintaining rigorous sanitation protocols, and collaborating closely with veterinary teams for preventative care and prompt treatment. Supporting the freedom to express normal behavior involves providing stimulating environments, such as puzzle feeders for foraging, opportunities for exercise, and ensuring appropriate social grouping for herd or pack animals. And crucially, to foster freedom from fear and distress, you would implement gentle handling techniques, establish predictable routines, and create quiet, safe spaces away from loud noises or unfamiliar stimuli, recognizing that fear can significantly impact an animal's health. What makes these principles particularly powerful is their universal applicability and their role as a unifying standard across the animal welfare community. They are not limited to one species or care setting. Whether you are working with wildlife, domestic pets, or research animals, the 5 freedoms offer a consistent, ethical compass. Many professional organizations and certification bodies integrate these principles into their training and accreditation programs, making them a benchmark for excellence. Embracing this framework demonstrates a commitment to not just caring for animals, but caring about their intrinsic well-being. It helps professionals articulate the value of their work and advocate effectively for better conditions, reinforcing industry best practices and fostering a culture of compassionate, informed care. Ultimately, by understanding and diligently applying the 5 freedoms, you are doing more than just following rules. You are actively contributing to a higher standard of animal welfare, reducing stress and suffering, and promoting thriving lives for the animals entrusted to your care. This dedication not only enhances the quality of life for animals, but also elevates your own professional practice, providing clear ethical guidance and a deep sense of purpose in your vital role within the animal care industry. It transforms your work into a powerful force for good, ensuring that every animal has the chance to live a life free from preventable suffering and rich in positive experiences.